Hello, everyone, and welcome back.
Hey friends, we are so happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome to your slow listening and shadowing podcast, English Learning Radio.
This is the place where you can relax, listen, repeat, and build real English fluency step by step.
And today's topic is very useful. We will learn 10 English phrases native speakers use in everyday life.
These are short phrases, they are common, they're natural, and they are great for A1 to A2 learners.
So if you sometimes think, I know English words, but I don't know what native speakers really say, this episode is for you.
Exactly. We will keep it simple, we will go slowly, and we will practice together.
Here is our flow for today. Listen, discuss, listen again.
So first, you hear the phrase.
Then we talk about it.
Then you hear it again and repeat it with us.
Amazing. And before we start, if you enjoy learning with us, please like, subscribe, and come back for more English practice.
Yes, come study with us again. We'd love that.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's go.
I'm on my way. Our first phrase is, I'm on my way.
I'm on my way means I am coming now.
Yes, maybe your friend is waiting for you.
Maybe your mom calls you,
Maybe your teacher asks, where are you?
and you say, I'm on my way.
This is a very common phrase. Native speakers use it all the time.
Example,
Hey, John, are you coming?
I'm on my way. Another example, dinner is ready.
I'm on my way.
That sounds real, right?
Very real. Short, easy, useful.
Now listen again. I'm on my way.
Repeat, I'm on my way.
One more time. I'm on my way.
Good job. You're doing great already.
Phrase number 2 is, that sounds good.
This means, I like that idea.
Or, okay, that is a nice plan.
If your friend says, let's have coffee, you can say,
That sounds good.
if someone says, let's watch a movie tonight, you can say,
That sounds good.
this phrase is friendly and easy.
And it helps your English sound natural.
Small note, we say sounds, not looks, because we are talking about an idea we hear.
Nice point.
Example dialogue.
Do you want pasta for dinner?
That sounds good.
How about a walk after lunch?
That sounds good.
Now, let's do shadowing.
Listen. That sounds good.
Repeat. That sounds good.
Again, that sounds good.
Excellent. Nice and clear.
Phrase number 3 is, give me a second.
This means wait a short time.
Not a real second, not only 1 second.
Right, it just means please wait a moment.
Maybe you are looking for your keys.
Maybe you are sending a message,
Maybe you are opening the door.
and you say, give me a second.
This is super common in daily English. Example. John, are you ready?
Give me a second.
Where is my phone? Give me a second.
Yes, we all say that.
Very true.
Listen again. Give me a second.
Repeat. Give me a second.
Again, slowly. Give me a second.
Wonderful. Keep going. You're improving already.
Phrase number 4 is, no problem.
This means, it is okay or you're welcome.
If someone says, thank you, you can say.
No problem.
If someone says, sorry I'm late, you can say.
No problem.
Simple, friendly, natural.
And native speakers use this every day.
Example dialogue.
Thanks for helping me.
No problem.
Sorry, I called you late.
No problem.
I like this phrase because it feels warm.
Yes, it feels relaxed and kind.
Okay, listen again. No problem.
Repeat. No problem.
One more time. No problem.
Nice work.
Phrase number 5 is, what do you mean?
This means, please explain that.
Maybe you do not understand.
Maybe your friend says something strange.
Maybe you need more information.
Then you can ask, what do you mean?
This is a very useful question.
Yes, and it helps you keep the conversation going.
Example,
The test was kinda tricky.
what do you mean?
I mean, it was not easy.
Another one,
I had a rough morning.
what do you mean?
I missed the bus.
Oh no.
Yes, that is a rough morning.
Now repeat after us.
What do you mean?
Again, what do you mean?
One more time. What do you mean?
Great question, great English.
Phrase number 6 is, I'm just looking.
This is very useful in a shop or store.
If a worker says, can I help you?
And you do not need help now, you can say,
I'm just looking.
it means I am only looking right now.
Not buying yet, not asking yet, just looking.
This phrase is polite and natural.
Example dialogue.
Hi, can I help you?
I'm just looking, thanks.
Perfect.
Another example.
Do you need a different size?
I'm just looking right now.
Very nice.
Now listen again. I'm just looking.
Repeat. I'm just looking.
Again, I'm just looking.
Good job. That one is very practical. Phrase number 7 is, it depends.
This means the answer can change.
Maybe yes, maybe no.
Maybe one thing is true today, but not tomorrow.
So we say, it depends.
Example.
Do you walk to work?
It depends. If the weather is nice, yes.
Good.
Another one.
Do you drink coffee every day?
It depends. Sometimes I drink tea.
Nice and easy.
This phrase is short, but it sounds very natural.
And native speakers use it a lot in real conversations.
Let's practice.
Listen. It depends.
Repeat. It depends.
Again, it depends.
Excellent. Keep that one in your daily English. Phrase number 8 is, see you in a bit.
This means see you soon.
Not tomorrow, not next week.
Soon, a short time later.
Maybe after lunch.
Maybe after class.
Maybe after work.
And you say, see you in a bit.
This phrase sounds very natural and friendly.
Example.
I'm going to the store.
Okay, see you in a bit.
Another one?
I need to make a quick call.
No problem. See you in a bit.
I like this phrase. It feels warm.
Yes, it feels close and friendly.
Now repeat it.
See you in a bit.
Again.
See you in a bit.
One more time.
See you in a bit.
Lovely. You sound great. Phrase number 9 is simple but very important. I'm tired.
This means I need rest.
Maybe you worked a lot.
Maybe you studied a lot.
Maybe you woke up early.
And you say, I'm tired.
Very common. Very real.
Example.
How are you?
I'm tired.
Why?
I woke up at 6.
Oh, early morning.
Yes. And here is another example. I'm tired. My quick breakfast was a banana and then I ran to work.
That sounds real. Very real.
For learners, this phrase is good because you can use it every day.
And you can add a reason. I'm tired because I studied all night. I'm tired because I cleaned my room. I'm tired because the baby cried.
Great examples.
Now, shadow with us.
I'm tired.
Again, I'm tired.
One more time. I'm tired.
Nice, clear, and natural.
Our last phrase is, let's go.
This means it is time to start or come with me now.
It is full of energy.
Yes, it feels active and exciting.
Maybe you are late.
Maybe the movie's starting.
Maybe your friend is slow.
Yes, and you say, let's go.
Example.
The bus is here.
Let's go.
We have 10 minutes before class.
Let's go.
This phrase is short, but native speakers use it all the time.
And it is fun to say.
Okay, everyone. Energy time.
Listen. Let's go.
Repeat. Let's go.
Again. Let's go.
Yes! Great job.
Now let's review all 10 phrases together.
This is your slow listening part. Just listen first.
I'm on my way.
2. That sounds good.
3. Give me a second.
4. No problem.
5. What do you mean?
6. I'm just looking.
7. It depends.
8. See you in a bit.
9. I'm tired.
10. Let's go.
Nice. Now let's discuss a few together in a mini conversation.
Okay.
Hey, Stacy, are you coming?
I'm on my way.
Do you want tea after this?
That sounds good.
Are you ready now?
Give me a second.
Thanks.
No problem.
I had a strange morning.
What do you mean?
I missed breakfast.
Oh, no.
In the store, I said, I'm just looking.
Very good.
Do you cook every night?
It depends.
I'll call you after work.
Okay, see you in a bit.
How do you feel?
I'm tired.
The train is here.
Let's go.
That was great.
Now you say them with us. Ready?
I'm on my way.
That sounds good.
Give me a second.
No problem.
What do you mean?
I'm just looking.
It depends.
See you in a bit.
I'm tired.
Let's go.
Amazing work.
Really, if you repeated those phrases, you are building real spoken English.
And remember, fluency does not come from one big step.
It comes from many small steps.
One phrase at a time.
One conversation at a time.
One shadowing session at a time.
And today, you did all 3. Good job.
Wrap up. Let's do one final recap.
Today, we learned, I'm on my way. That sounds good. Give me a second. No problem. What do you mean? I'm just looking. It depends. See you in a bit. I'm tired. Let's go.
These are short phrases, but they are powerful.
Yes, they help you sound more natural.
They help you understand native speakers better.
And they help you speak with more confidence.
So, after this episode, try to use at least 2 phrases today.
That's a great idea.
Maybe say, I'm on my way.
Or, that sounds good.
Or maybe, after a long day, just say,
I'm tired.
very real English.
Friends, thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
You are doing something important. You are showing up. You are learning, and that matters.
Be patient with yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
And keep going. Your English is growing.
Before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what's the first thing you do in the morning?
Do you drink water?
Do you make coffee?
Do you eat a quick breakfast?
Maybe your quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds good.
And if you want, write your answer using one phrase from today's episode.
For example, I'm tired in the morning. Or, I'm on my way to school at 7:30.
We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for being here with us.
See you in a bit.
Or in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.